Here's a quick scenario. Our delivery team kicked off a modernization project with Contoso Corp a few months ago. It's Monday, and the customer is requesting a quarterly update for the project. I plan to use Copilot to see how the notes from our past meetings can be used to generate a deck. Here's the prompt I plan to use. Please create a professional PowerPoint deck summarizing this document. Use an appropriate design template and include speaker notes. I'll go ahead and launch PowerPoint. I'll say create with Copilot. Enter my prompt. And I'll also attach that reference file that I mentioned. And off we go. As you can see, Copilot is starting to generate that deck. Go ahead and say generate slides. At this point, Copilot is going through, adding titles to each of those slides. With all the titles in place, Copilot will continue to work here, generating content while we pull all this information into a deck. It also gives us the option to keep this or delete it. I'll go ahead and keep it. I'll go ahead and take a look at that. And here we go. Once we have a finished product, as you see here, the delivery team will review the deck and make tweaks, changes as we see fit before providing it to the customer. As you can see, within a few minutes, Copilot is capable of pulling together a comprehensive deck based on discussions we've had with our customer. Thank you for your time today, and as I like to say, happy prompting with Copilot.